Oh, is it on?
So much battery.
Nuts. So we've already got one board. Shell's got two. That's one in there. This is Sam, guys. Well, welcome to the Dufeu factory. There's some nuts boards in here, eh? Pretty sick. So, where's the shaping bay through? Have a little look through.
Yeah, come through to the factory. As you can see, there's a lot of repairs to do, and we're building some longboards this week.
Maybe.
So, oh yeah.
510 Heritage. It's a heritage board that you saw out there, but a 510.
Awesome. This is a shop. All the bits and bobs.
Mate, time
Glassing room.
froth out.
Yeah. Beautiful. It's the way you shape it then.
Shaping. I'm waiting for cuts at the moment. Waiting for blanks. It's a 5/8 infusion, ultra box infusion.
Nuts. So is that off the milling machine then?
This is off the milling machine. I've just drawn the tail in.
Awesome.
Gonna pare the rails down a little bit more, and it's pretty sick, isn't it?
That is templates up there. The radio. Sand planers. Oh, fancy.
Team boys here picking up boards today. It's all good. This is the sanding room.
Oh, sick. Oh, nuts. And that's the painting. Oh, mate, that's so sick.
Smell.
Yeah, if
it's awful for you.
if you didn't have a mask on in here, give you like a day and you'd probably just die. Sick.
Sounds really nice in the packable.
It's so good. So, I've got one board, Shell's got two boards. Gonna go into the local. Where's the local? Is it? That's a tour of the Dufeu factory. We're gonna go get some fun waves. New board. Sick.
It's a fucking problem.
Freshies. You. No radio. Car's got a warning light. Let's go. And the board's in the back. Board's in the back. Trying to get. Sick. Batteries on 100%. We're arriving at the beach. Should be good fun. Offshore winds for first in a long time. Yeah. Might be a few people out, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, lovely. This is the fresh board. Surfed it once yesterday in Wales, and oh god, it feels so good. to a different bank. Looks pretty nuts, to be honest. The GoPro just keeps dying on like 40%, which is a pain, but done surfing this bit for now. Might get in, well, we definitely will get in. Hey, it's pretty sick. I'm trying to get a clip of the GoPro.
You know what? I hated on it.
It's quite comfy.